Welcome to Brain TopUp. To make the most of your time and increase productivity, here are some effective strategies you can implement. 1. Set clear goals. Start by defining your short-term and long-term goals. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve and break them down into actionable steps. Having specific goals will help you prioritize your tasks and stay focused. 2. Prioritize tasks. Determine which tasks are most important and require immediate attention. Focus on high-priority tasks first, and tackle less critical ones later. 3. Plan and schedule. Create a daily or weekly plan that outlines your tasks and activities. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or productivity apps to schedule and organize your time effectively. Set realistic deadlines and allocate time blocks for specific tasks. 4. Avoid multitasking. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking often leads to reduced productivity and increased errors. Instead, practice single-tasking by focusing on one task at a time. This allows you to concentrate fully and complete tasks more efficiently. 5. Eliminate distractions. Minimize distractions that can hinder your productivity. Silence notifications on your phone or computer. Close unnecessary browser tabs, and create a designated workspace that is free from distractions. Consider using productivity apps or website blockers to stay focused. 6. Break tasks into smaller steps. Complex or overwhelming tasks can be more manageable when broken down into smaller, more achievable steps. This approach helps you maintain momentum and provides a sense of progress as you complete each step. 7. Take regular breaks. Taking short breaks throughout your workday can actually enhance your productivity. Allow yourself time to rest and recharge. Whether it's a short walk, stretching, or engaging in a quick mindfulness practice. 8. Practice time blocking. Time blocking involves dedicating specific blocks of time to work on specific tasks or projects. 9. Delegate and outsource. If possible, delegate tasks to others or outsource certain responsibilities. Recognize that you can't do everything yourself, and by sharing the workload, you can free up time for more important tasks or activities that align with your strengths. 10. Continuously learn and improve. Seek opportunities to enhance your skills and knowledge to become more efficient. Stay updated on industry trends, explore new tools or techniques, and invest in personal growth. Continual learning can lead to improved productivity and increased effectiveness in your work. Remember, productivity is not solely about working harder, but also working smarter. Experiment with different strategies and find what works best for you. By effectively managing your time and staying focused, you can accomplish more, reduce stress, and achieve your goals more efficiently. Hope you friends got to learn something out of this video. Then like, comment, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you friends in the next video. Thanks for watching.